My name is Connor Evan, and in today's video I want to talk about channel points for your Twitch channel. I just got invited to the Twitch affiliate program like 2 weeks ago, and super exciting. But from there I just started thinking about sub badges, emotes, loyalty badges, channel points, and all this stuff I had no idea about. But I think as a streamer and a consistent viewer, I really like the concept of channel points. And it's just a free way to reward your viewer for sticking around and watching your channel. So if you're looking for fun new ideas that to incorporate into your channel, stick with me. Let's go. Yes, I do stream live on Twitch every Tuesday and Wednesday evenings, and periodically on Saturdays and Sundays, and the link is in the description below. Down below. God. So I created a Reddit thread just to get these channel point ideas out there and kind of hear from, other viewers, other streamers on what their thoughts were. And that description is down below, but let's go through it. So some of my ideas I've come up with and want to incorporate are, one is I love dad jokes. So, tell a dad or a kid joke. These are really just, bad jokes that could be considered, just funny joke. See what I did there? Use a pun. Just fun, stupid little thing. Take a few minutes, tell a funny joke. Try to have a few prepared every day. Another one I want to use is Texas slang. So I currently, I live in Texas, and I wanted to teach the viewer a Texan term. And this is something like you can incorporate in your channel as wherever you're from. Like if you're from New York, Boston, wherever, Ireland, everyone's got their own slang. So I think it's kind of a cool idea. Simple one, drink water, hydrate, like redeem it, and take a sip of your water. And but make sure to, like, each one of these redemptions, just expand them out to at least a minute, and really interact with the viewer and oh, thanks. The other one is channel or stream review. So since I dabble in, I like to think I dabble in graphic design or even some branding as a hobby, coming from my days as like being in a metal band, or even, through school for architecture, and I'm a builder also, is one thing I like to do and have done is give constructive reviews of, other fellow streamers and friends, and kind of just give some, positive input on things they can incorporate into their channel, or things that are like kind of confusing to me. Maybe you can help clear that up. And I've done this for a few friends, and I'm currently editing a few videos to make a stream review little video, and maybe hopefully some of that info could help you out. Another one is that I do is make a stinger transition. So if, they get enough points, they can redeem it, and I'll make them a stinger transition. And this is something I've been doing for a little while. And it's just a way to help out with the community, give each one of your channels something a little professional. And there's of course the default rewards, like highlight my message, unlock a random sub emote, choose a sub emote to unlock. But I feel these need to be a little lower in price than what the default reward is, just so like, a new viewer could come in and watch for a little bit and go, oh, I could redeem something, I feel like this is something a lot of viewers like either do or just don't do, or don't know it exists. So I think you gotta kind of remind them too. In the Reddit discussion that I post, user Drakester Bacon said, which is kind of interesting. He said one thing that made his channel grow was a simple channel point where they make him say E. Yeah, the letter E. So it's kind of interesting. It's kind of cool. Maybe there's something simple in that you can incorporate. User Hip Hazard said redeem a shout out to one of their friends, which is kind of cool. Also, this one I like. If you have a second cam, you could do like a close-up cam of like a fishbowl or your pets like laying in their dog bed. That's kind of cool, And then he said dabs, but my green screen cuts everything off, so I can't do it. Another one's posture check. One is force an ad break, which I don't see that often, but it's an interesting idea. And then user Zaku88 suggested this one I love. So wear a silly hat or a wig for 30 minutes. And I think it's great for any time of the year, but especially, during Halloween season, maybe you can have like a spooky mask. I don't know, kind of cool. This one's also good, was share a random fact about yourself. So this could be like, yeah, I'm left-handed. Maybe people don't know it. My whole setup's backwards. Or, you know, one eye is blind, you know, or I don't know, something random. And then the other one they suggested is make the viewer pick your character. So that could be like, if you play Smash Bros, you know, and make you play as Mario, make you play as Zelda, make you play as Link, whatever. You know, could be cool. So there's tons of ideas out there. Please feel free to leave any additional ideas and thoughts you had in the comments down below. And if you found any of this useful, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and or come by and check us out live on Twitch. Thank you again. We'll see you soon.